All right, and now we're moving on to triangles, and everything we knew about angles, we're going to pull over here into triangles. And triangles mean 3 angles. All right, and so you all know what a triangle is, but they're classified as well by the size of the angles or the size of the sides, the length of the sides. And so we're going to look at the angles first. And just like in angles, we have acute angle, triangles, and an acute triangle is when all 3 of these angles are less than 90 degrees. Then we're going to look at right triangle, and that's when you actually have a right angle inside of a triangle. And then we're going to look at obtuse, and that is when you have one angle that is larger than 90, less than 180 degrees. So these are the 3 ways you can classify a triangle by the length of their angles or the size of their angles. But triangles also have sides, and you can classify them by the sides. So the first one is a scalene triangle, and so that means that none of the sides, side 1, side 2, or side 3, are the same length. If they're not the same length, then they have no angles that equal each other. Then the second one would be isosceles. And isosceles is that you have a triangle and 2 sides are equal to each other or congruent segments. All right, and so that means that this side is congruent with this side. Remember the tick marks. And that's an isosceles triangle. And so that also means that there are 2 angles that are congruent. And then the third way is an equilateral triangle, and that means that all sides are equal. So if the whole triangle measures, the inside measure is 180 degrees, you know that each one of these is going to be 60 degrees, because 60 times 3 is 180. So you're either going to be classifying by the size of their angles or the size of their sides or the length of their sides. Make sure you learn this. Bye-bye.